So now you've known how to create a new account. You already created an account in the past video. So we want to try out an app on here. So it's like the Uniswap of near, or will it be too early to say that? But it's actually a decentralized finance app that you can use to do stuff like decentralized exchange, lending, aesthetic asset issuer, liquidity pooling, and you can do multiple contracts, multiple pools in one single contract, and the fees are cheap, you can see here. And there's a DAO that will actually do that. There is no token yet, so there's a possibility of a token that might actually come up along the line. So we'll do a very simple practical. Let me go to my portfolio. So I've already deposited some coins. So I have some near DAI. So these are actually bridged DAI. So if you don't have this and you have some stuffs in your wallet, you can use the near bridge. We will not talk about this. So now you can use the near bridge. We'll talk about this in another video. Or you can do a lot of things. So this is my portfolio. Let me see if I have some coins in the pool. Yeah, I think I have some. Okay, this is your portfolio. I have some end DAI you can swap. So you can see I have some balance. Let me say 2 end DAI. I will get 1 wrapped. This is the celebration. You click swap. You can see how fast this is. Okay, it's taking time. So it has finally opened. Let's bring this pop-up. For this pop-up, click allow. So there's a transfer, and then once it's done, you can click to view it on the chain. Okay, so we've been able to swap. Now I think I swapped something of less than $2. You can see it here. This was. Now let's go to Uniswap and let me try to do something. I have some I think like 4 USDT. Now on the swap is for Ethereum. Irrespective of the amount you have. You will see there's a bit fees that it will pop up. So you are seeing how much this is the gas fee already. So it's not because I'm swapping for USDC. This is the amount generally to do trade. So you see that it's not a game for those who cannot afford it. So if you're in Africa, for example, where the minimum wage a person earns is less than maybe $100 to $200 a month, you're telling the person to pay these fees for transaction. It's something that they will reject, right? It's something that they will reject. So this is the stuff. So what can you do with it? You can swap, as I've showed you. You can provision liquidity. Let me say this. Okay, I told you that I already had a liquidity. These are. Oh, I've not provisioned liquidity before. Okay, let's see if I can provision liquidity. Click add liquidity. And then authorize. You see this whole stuff. You can see that there's a hash to this whole stuff. So once it's successful, to show. So this is my liquidity now. You can remove liquidity anytime. Remove it and the rest of them. So that is pretty hard to use this app. Then you can create sign in, sign out, and the rest of them.